Get ready for a taste explosion. This cake packs a fiery punch bursting with flavors that will ignite your senses in every bite. Is that a business suit? Nope, it's cake. Every stylish stitch is edible, so you can devour your way through this dapper dessert. Watch out! This molten chocolate cake is ready to erupt, an explosion of rich, gooey goodness that'll rock your taste buds. Calm your cravings with this Zen-inspired treat. It's a perfect balance of rich, indulgent flavors and pure edible artistry. This cake is a celestial dream, glowing with soft lavender hues and deep chocolate layers that are simply out of this world. Ready for a show? This cake bursts with flavor and a dazzling display of sugar fireworks. It's a spectacular treat for your next celebration. A sweet work of art that's as delicious as it is detailed. Nature never tasted this good, and it's all beautifully edible. You won't need a toolbox for this one, just an appetite. This hammer cake is as tasty as it is clever, down to every last detail. Think it's pizza? Guess again. This dessert disguise is a cake, and it'll surprise your taste buds with every delicious bite. Take a bite out of the universe. This cosmic cake is covered in starry goodness and sweet planets, bringing the galaxy to your dessert plate. Paint your plate with deliciousness. Every brushstroke on this cake is a sweet masterpiece, too pretty to eat, but too tasty to resist. Is it a candle or a cake? You'll have to taste it to find out. With realistic wax strips and a sweet glow, this dessert is pure magic. Sneakerhead approved. These kicks aren't for walking, they're made of cake, crafted to perfection with every stylish, delicious detail. Turn up the sweetness. This retro record player isn't just spinning tunes, it's a cake masterpiece that'll have you dancing for more. Ready to jet? This ultra-realistic suitcase looks like it's packed and ready to roll, but surprise, it's all cake. Sweet travels. Time for a sweet upgrade. This edible keyboard is perfect for tech lovers. Every key is made for munching in this geeky treat. Game on! This hyper-realistic game controller is ready for action, but don't try to play it because it's a delicious cake. Snap a picture or take a bite. This realistic camera cake looks ready to shoot, but it's all sweet, edible goodness. These headphones are music to your taste buds. Every part of this stylish cake is edible and delicious, from the band to the ear cups. Calling all book lovers, this tiny bookshelf is actually a cake. It's a literary masterpiece you'll want to devour page by page. Burger and fries? Not today. This fast food feast is actually a sweet illusion designed to surprise and satisfy in every bite. This flower pot is blooming with flavor. Beneath the lifelike flowers is a delicious cake, sweet enough to fool and satisfy your senses. Looks like ice cream, but it's really cake. This sweet pint is packed with creamy goodness, hiding delicious surprises with every scoop. Every tool in this kit is edible. It's a DIY dream turned into a cake, crafted to perfection for those who love hands-on fun.